Okay guys, so let us start with the question answer section of this chapter. और सबसे पहले हम शुरू करते हैं इस ओरल वाले से। अच्छा, यहाँ पर कुछ वर्ड आपको बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करनी है, लाइक बैंडेज, सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, thoughtfulness, realize, ghastly, troublesome, crutch. Okay, I had heard a great deal about Miss Beam's school. तो यहाँ पर यह है कि आपको क्या लगता है कि नरेटर ने स्कूल के बारे में क्या सुना था? Well, the narrator had heard about the simple teaching methods of the school. कि स्कूल का टीचिंग मेथड जो है काफ़ी सिंपल है। तो वेल, लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द MCQ नाउ। यहाँ पर जो है ये स्टोरी का एक समराइज्ड फॉर्म है और इसमें हमें जो है इनकरेक्ट वर्ड्स को काट के हटा देना है। मिस बीम्स टीचिंग मेथड्स वर वेरी सिंपल, डिफ़िकल्ट को हटाओ। शी सेड दैट special days are a very important part of a system. The students, teachers are able to appreciate, students are able to appreciate misfortunes because they are made to share misfortune. Each term every child has one blind day, one lame day, one injured day, and one dumb day. Okay, during the blind day, their eyes are bandaged tightly so that they are not able to see anything, right? So well, that's the summary. Why are the children's eyes bandaged overnight before their blind day? So that they get used to it. So that they wake up blind and start their day as a blind person. Okay, what would you want to extend to your differently abled friends? Okay, sympathy सही है, support सही है, pity नहीं चाहिए, help सही है, rebuke बिल्कुल नहीं, गलत बात भाई। आप जो है अपने डिफरेंटली एबल्ड फ्रेंड को डांटिएगा क्यों? एंड फ्रेंडशिप, डेफिनेटली फ्रेंडशिप। ओके, नाउ लेट अस आंसर दिस। कुछ स्टेटमेंट हैं और कुछ लोगों के बारे में है, तो देखें हम लोग कंपेयर करके। He went to see the school run by Miss Beam and liked it. ओके, ये तो नरेटर के बारे में है। She runs a different kind of school. That's Miss Beam. She is the head girl of the school. That's Millie. He is an old man tying up roses. That's Peter. Okay, those that have been blind already are the best helpers. Why does the girl say this? Well, because those that have been blind already, they know how it feels to be blind and what kind of problems one could face, and they would try to help the other person with better understanding. Describe Miss Beam. Which quality did you like in her? Well, she has a very maternal personality. She is very affectionate and kind, while she also keeps a sense of authority. She is very understanding. So well, these are the qualities that we will like about her. Okay, what were the two important things that the narrator learned as he left a different kind of school? Okay, दो क्या important चीज़ें हैं जो कि उसने सीखा? Well, for the answer of that question, here we have to come. पहला, he learned that he was 10 times more thoughtful than he ever thought he could be, and he also realized that if he had to describe people and things to someone else, it made them more interesting to him. Okay, तो ये दो important चीज़ें सीखी उसने। If you were a student of Miss Beam's school, which day would you have found the most difficult? Why? Okay, that's a very interesting question कि कौन सा दिन आपके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता और क्यों? और मेरे ख्याल से जो है, yes, being dumb would be, or like dumb day would be the most difficult because your other test, your other sense organs are working perfectly, and in such cases we are accustomed to reacting through our words, right? हम अक्सर जो है अपने words के थ्रू ही react करते हैं। wow, फैंटास्टिक, दिस दैट, फलाना ढिमका, जो भी होता है वर्ड हम यूज करते हैं। तो चूंकि हमारे बाकी सेंसेस जो है वो एक्टिव रहेंगे, और एक जो हमारा की जो हमारा एक जो दूसरा एक जो हमारा एक ऑर्गन है जो कि हमेशा काम करता रहता है भरे दिन, चप चप चपर चपर, तो वो उसको सिर्फ खामोश रखना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा, है कि नहीं। तो इसमें जो है सुप्रीम विल पावर की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, कॉन्स्टेंटली जो है आपको अलर्ट रहने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, वरना आवाज़ निकल सकती है। Why do you think the narrator names the school as a different kind of school? Well, narrator जो है he names the school as a different kind of school for the kind of teaching system they have got there. They are teaching children not just like purely academic knowledge, or they are teaching students not just through books and everything. They are also teaching them very important human qualities, and that too through practice. So like they would not just sympathize with a blind person because I mean they are at a disadvantage. They can actually relate to them, they can actually empathize with them because they have experienced what it feels to be blind, and that is why it is a different kind of school. Okay, let us look at this RTC now. I see some very beautiful grounds. Okay, that's like our narrator. He is saying this to Miss Beam. Where did the speaker see the ground? From the office window. Did the speaker see something else? If yes, what was it? It was a garden. What happened next? Well, he observed that there is a girl on the crutches and she is watching other children play, and then there is another girl who has got bandage on her ears and she looks sad, and all these observations. Okay, why do you think the narrator was sorry when he finally had to leave? Because this school was a place where he learned so many new things about himself as well, and like leaving that place that way like seems like losing an opportunity to learn further. Okay, so well, that's it. Now let us stop here. In the next one we will try like writing a diary entry, but we will keep that for the next lesson. Just finish the question answers. Until then, bye bye.